Hey everybody, miss you all so much. This is Miss Alyssa here, showing you guys a little trick on how to get a nice deep breath when you're feeling frustrated. Now, I'm so frustrated right now because my computer restarted about 8 times. My cat jumped on my notebook and knocked it off the table, and it's raining outside. So all I really want to do is just lay down and rest, but I can't. So I'm going to try to use a coping skill called the 5-finger breath. So this is how you do it. You pick a hand. You have 2 choices. You can choose your left hand or your right hand. You pick a hand and you hold it up like this, like you're about to give a high five, okay? Then what you do is you take your other finger and you kind of will be tracing your fingers like this, kind of like this, all right? But you're gonna add a breath to the tracing, okay? So this is how it's gonna look. Every time you trace up a finger, you're gonna breathe in, and when you round down and trace down, you're gonna exhale. So give it a try with me, okay? Ready? Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. I feel a little bit better. And if I didn't, I'd probably do it again. But I think you guys get the point. Thanks for watching. See ya.